Google Lens has always been on the rage, and it's on another day because Google has just tweeted that Google Photos has been rolling out a new update which includes the Google Lens for almost all the Android devices without any root access. So I thought, why not let me just update my Google Photos app and check if that has come. And yeah, I was greeted with the Google Lens functionality. So whatever it is, whatever the photo is, you can just click on the Google Lens button. First open Google Photos, then click any photo which you would like. Like I have this photo. I have a lot of email addresses, barcodes and everything. Let's check if this works. Yes, the phone number is there, the text selection is there, the email address is there, phone number is there. Oh my god, this is awesome. Also, address of that part is there. Barcode, I am not that sure that it is there. Yeah, one more thing, that it writes Google Lens preview. So I will take this as a bit of pinch of salt, but yeah, let's look. This is Elon Musk's book, and yeah, let's check. Okay, so Elon Musk could not be recognized by Google. What the heck, Google? What the heck? Seriously, you cannot recognize Elon Musk? That's stupid. Let's check this product on Amazon. I like this watch. Okay, so this also failed miserably. Sennheiser headphones. Let's see this. Again, miserably failed. So this is basically not the most reliable thing you can say. Let's see this. Again failed. Last picture I will take. Let's see this OnePlus logo. Okay, so here it performed fine. So that was probably it for the video, and if you liked it, be sure to hit that like button. Share this to your friends who are having an Android smartphone except a Pixel, because Pixel already had this. I am going to sign off. Make your day happy. Stay techy, guys.